Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to convert image to text and use those texts of your daily activities. It's very simple and outstanding platform are providing such kind of facilities, and that platform name is PDub. So we will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab. You can do same process of any operating system, even smartphone devices also. I just simply open here Google and just type here PDub. So first link is display here. I already put this link in same video description. So I click here and look at this. Here several options are available for the working on PDF, convert the Word to PDF, PDF to Word, convert as a merge multi PDFs also, and so many options are available here. If I click here, so look at this, we are targeting here image to text conversation. So I click here and look at this image to text conversation. Bunch of options are available here: image to text, PDF to text, screenshot to text, handwritten to text. So a number of features are available here. I just simply show you here one of the image file. This is an image file, not text image file, but inside the image some of the text is available. So how I copy this particular text and use my day-to-day writing skill? It's very simple. First of all, you need to download this software in your Mac or your Windows operating system. So I have in Mac operating system, so I just simply click here and simply click twice and just simply drag and drop. I already installed, but you can do same process for the installation point of view and just simply off. Now I open here and look at this here, PDub image translator. Click. So PDub image translator are display here. You can press as a command button and one, so automatically are display. So now I just simply open here. This is my image and here PDub software is available. Screenshot and recognize. I click here and look at this, my arrow is suddenly changed. So I just simply select this particular text and boom, the image are automatically comes here in the editable text format. That one is a really amazing software. Here some of the languages also available. If you want auto detection, if you are providing some specific language, this is a French or all, but we can select here auto detection and then you can very easily use this text. I just simply copy this text and put it here. Look at this, it's outstanding features I saw ever image to text conversation point of view, and that one is absolutely free. No need to pay anything about this software, and then after you can use this text of your writing point of view. It's very simple tips and tricks, and some other options also available here. You can come on the website and check it out, all features. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.